I can make out the economy of our country is mostly dependent upon the highway between Phuntsholing and Thimphu. The highway is about 171 kilometers long and it takes 5 to 6 hours by a normal car. However, there are some obstacles like foggy weather, landslide in summer, narrow road, etc. So we must be a bit cautious. A temporary bridge has been built at Kamji after the recent downpour where the road had been washed away, and it's about 22 kilometers away from Phuntsholing town. Many vehicles have to be often made to wait alongside the road, and the vehicles are released one by one by the traffic officers. It seems that the situation would last until the bridge is in stable condition or another road is opened. As a mountain in this country, it is very risky to travel, but over the past few years, the traffic has been much improved as a result of the road widening project. Despite having some obstacles, the scenarios of the countrysides are miraculous in nature.